Guys, men, gentlemen, if you see me standing, just know that good things are coming your way. Karibuni sana to Marriage is a Scam with a cherry on top. Today we concentrate on the cherry. We always concentrate on the cherry on top, but today we concentrate more on the cherry on top. So, special dedication to all the gentlemen. Okay, I care for you guys, and I want you guys to have stronger, harder erections. And I also want you to last longer. Like I promise, I have a solution. Guess what the solution is? Kegel exercises. Ladies, did you know Kegel exercises work better for men than even women? It's only that majority of the men do not do Kegel exercises. Again, this is due to public demand. I've talked about Kegel exercises for men in almost all my platforms. Yeah, I just decided to record afresh for this YouTube channel under Marriage is a Scam with a cherry on top. Karibuni sana, my name is Getrude Mungai. I am your marriage crusader, aka lifestyle designer on sex and relationships. Tonight, we are making sure every single lady has no excuse, but to make sure they get multiple orgasms. Why? I have told you in the past, when it comes to ladies' female orgasms, it's 75%, you're 75% responsible. But for the men, they just need to bring the 25%. And today, we are covering that up, the 25%. Because the 25% is to make sure, how do they bring it? They just show up and stay hard enough for us to do our thing. So, again, here I am with my Mr. Victor. Okay? So, Kegel exercises for men. Number one, you need to learn how to identify the muscle. Just like women, you use the P to identify the muscle. But the way it works is not the same for women. So, how do you identify to the P? When you go to P, as you release the P, try to hold it halfway. As the P is coming out, try to hold it. Do not hold Mr. Victor, no. Hands free, hold it. Stop the P. Whether it stops or not, it doesn't really matter. Stop the P, and then P again. So P, stop, P, stop. So it may not be easy for you to P, stop, P, stop. I want you to count. As you P, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is estimated 5 seconds. And then you hold it. While you're holding, count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So P, count, hold, count, P, count, hold, count, P, count, hold, count, until we finish. That is how you identify the muscle. So, after identifying the muscle, you need to learn how to use the muscle. Okay, no, let's identify and now let's confirm the muscle before we engage the muscle. So, as you confirm the muscle, again, after you have peed, stay in the same position. For women, it's sitting. For you guys, it's standing. Lucky guys, you can pee anywhere. It doesn't mean you should pee everywhere. So annoying to see men pee everywhere because they can. I'm catching feelings here. Okay, so how do you confirm the muscle? After you have peed, stay in the same position. Then hold on that there's no PS, but just try and hold it, count up to 5. Then relax. Don't push out, relax. Count up to 5. Hold, count, relax, count, hold, count, relax. I'm closing my eyes because sometimes that's all it takes you, the whole of you, to hold it. So you have identified the muscle, you have confirmed the muscle. So let's engage the muscle. Different position for doing the Kegel exercises. Okay? So, you might want to manipulate Mr. Victor in order for it to erect. It doesn't have to be strong, rock hard erection. Just the minute that it's erect. So this is how your Mr. Victor looks like. Don't worry about the size. Do not let it intimidate you. Well, since I was not born with one, I have to improvise, and I like this. So, I'm gonna stand on my side, so at least you see how it's supposed to be. So, this is how it is. Try to lift it up. When you're lifting it up, count up to 5, then relax. Count up to 5, lift it, count up to 5. Now, while you're lifting, I want you to lift in different positions. Okay? So, first position, drop your hands. Drop your hands and try to lift it. Okay? And then relax, lift, relax. Really dropping your hands. And then another position is to have your hands on your back like this. Don't do that. Don't just comfortably like this. Okay? When your hands are on the back like that, try to lift it. Count, relax, count, lift, count, relax, count. The third position, your hands should be at your back like this. Okay? This position, you are straining a little bit more than when your hands are dropped or at the back. So, on your back and lift in. Now, in this position, try to do that for 10 minutes. In that position, try to do that for 10 minutes. And then that other position, try to do that for 10 minutes. So, divide your months. This is going to be a long process, because it's going to take long. Even when you're going to the gym and you want to tone and build up muscles, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes you a long period of time. So I would say the first month, divide the month into 4 weeks. Okay? So Monday to Friday, do your Kegel exercises. Rest on Saturday and Sunday, don't forget to go. Rest on Saturday, don't forget to go to church on Sunday. Then start again on Monday, rest Saturday and Sunday, start again Monday. So week 1, do those meaning with your hands dropped down. Week 2, hands at the back. Week 3, hands on your rest up behind your head. Now, I didn't have a face towel, but I'm going to improvise. This is a cloth number. Use a face towel. Please don't use a serviette. Use a face towel. It will be almost this size. Okay, and then fold it this way, fold it and make some string or kamba of some sort, just exactly the way I am folding it. But then for you, it will be your face towel. So fold nicely and then dunk it in warm water, not cold, warm water. So the second week, the 4th week, put this across the gland, then on the shaft. If you do this, no matter what size of your misaveta, because here is on the smaller size, and this will fit. Okay? I'm saying dunk it in water, because we're going to use this as a dumbbell. Use this as a weight on the misaveta. For you, it's nothing. But on misaveta in different position, it's going to be something. You're going to strain. And that's how actually you're going deeper. Because when you do the first time, the whole week it's not going to feel much, and even give you different kind of programs for you to do this to make sure they're effective, depending on what level you are and what you're trying to correct. So using a towel, which is our weight for Mr. Victor, make sure it's damp, it's wet, and make sure it's warm. Cold, if you have a bit of an erection, you use it. We all know cold doesn't work for you guys, but warm is gonna work. So do that from the side, so you can imagine your hands drop, lift, count, relax. Lift, count, relax. Okay? With your hands at the back, same thing. Lift. While you're lifting, lift it for 5 seconds. Relax for 5 seconds, lift it for 5 seconds. Relax for 5 seconds. Okay? So, depending on what you're trying to correct. These Kegel exercises have so many benefits. Benefit number 1, it will help you have longer erections. You're able to sustain an erection for a longer period of time. Okay? Benefit number 1, it will help you strengthen your erections. You continue doing this. You move from flaccid, you to spongy, to rock hard erection with time. Okay? And then it brings a huge blood rush to your cervita and to your genital area, to your pelvic area. So you get easily aroused, easily stimulated. And by the time you get an orgasm, you're ejaculating, you're feeling it from head to toe. It will increase the sensation. And it will also boost up your stamina, your libido. Boost up your stamina and your libido. You understand? The Kegel exercises. And it's also very, very good for your prostate health. Do these exercises and you will reap all those benefits. So, put yourself in a program. I know I said you divide the month into 4 weeks. Okay? So put yourself on a program. And I said 10 minutes. For women, it goes much lower and it goes up to 15 minutes. Over a period of weeks, sometimes months. No, many times months. And they're supposed to do that at least once a year. And I normally propose to women to do their Kegel exercises on their birthday month. You start do for 10 minutes for the 4 weeks, and you actually, after you've done the initial, they touch up every single year with a vaginal gel. But for you guys, before you go to the bottle, start without the bottle. Before you go to the towel, it's me who's using the bottle, my bad. Before you already have used a natural one. So before you go to the towel, do it without the towel. Okay? Take a whole month, 4 weeks of you doing the exercises in this position. Another month of you in that position. Another month of you in that position. You understand what I'm saying? Now, those are 3 months. They sound like a lot, but for you to get results out, how often do you need to go to the gym? For how long? Okay? Now, after that, then you incorporate the wet, warm towel. I'm sure somebody's thinking, what are the side effects? Unfortunately, there are side effects, but minimal. What you're going to feel, you will feel some soreness. Okay? Soreness, especially if you're a person who doesn't gym at all. Soreness on your lower abdominal, and soreness on and even soreness when you try to feel the cervita. There's going to be some soreness. But that's not even a big deal. It will clear within no time. Just keep at it. Keep doing the Kegel exercises. And your Mubasara life is never going to be the same. I recommend this for older men. I recommend this for men over 40. I recommend this for even younger people who've messed up their system. You can restore with this. Yeah, I definitely recommend this for any older man or any man who's going through surgery. Prostate surgery, this is going to be the best. And guess what? If you're preparing for one, if you're preparing for that kind of a surgery, start doing these exercises. It will help you in recovery. If you have a bit of incontinence, you cannot hold your pee, you keep leaking, try to do this. If you have premature ejaculation, try to do this, and it will sort you out. All you have to do is commit and be dedicated, and you'll be good to go. My name is Getrude Mungai. I'm a lifestyle designer of sex and relationships, and this is Marriage is a Scam with a cherry on top. Please follow me on all my social media, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, let me know if I'm making any sense at all to you. Asanteni sana.